it's really
Oh no,
comfortable.
anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing of my order from Vans. So without any further ado, let's watch the video. See ya! As you can see, I have two packages here. One is a used box and one is this one because I've ordered this separately. And I'm gonna start with this one. This is actually this one. I will take out everything from the package, and then I'm gonna start showing you. This is huge. Receipt. This two box is slip-on, classic slip-on, which is the color of this one is black square. So it's look like this with black checkered board with a black square. And of course the size of this is size 7 or 37 in euro. And this one is classic slip-on 98DX, the same size 7, and it looks like this. Yeah, you see how nice it is, and also, wow, it's shiny. This part is shiny. So here it is. So, oh, it's a diamond, and this one is square. That's the difference. Oh, that's why this one is expensive. This one is expensive compared to this one. Oh, this is nice. And also inside it has something like this on in the heel part. So I don't know, maybe it's more comfortable than the other one, but yeah, also the huge difference. Also the back, it has diamond checkerboard in red. On the head part is blue. So this is kind of cute, and it has stars also here. The Vans logo is yellow, and at the back it's like this. So it has huge difference, as you can see, but it's both really cute. Okay, let's start this 3 boxes, which is the new school two-tone, and this one is the color is black purple. So I'm gonna start with this. Wow. This is the first time that I ordered a sneakers in purple, and it's really nice. This is the tongue is very puffy, and also here at this part at the edges is kind of puffy. It's like it is canvas. The material here is canvas, like the old school, the same with the old school, except that the design of this is new school. So I'm gonna try it later. I'm gonna show you how it is on my feet. I also need to put the shoelace first, and this is the other one. Okay, there's no extra shoelace. So this is the size of this is size 7. And okay, this one is actually for my son because I have enough of my sneakers, and this time I've ordered also one for my son. Oh, the color of this is really nice. I wish that there is a size for me as well. And look at the color. This is for men. So the size of this is 45 euro. US men 11.5. Oh yeah, that's great. This is perfect size for my son. Oh, so big. But the color is really nice. Red is really nice. Then the purple. Wow, it's really nice actually. But unfortunately, there was no smaller size of this. Only these big sizes are left. But if there was a size 37 in this color, I will also buy it for myself. So for now, I just keep it here. Inside the box. And this one is, of course, like the last time I told you on my other unboxing video, that I'm gonna buy another color of new school leather. And this one is this color with a pink this Vans logo. As you can see, this is this is beige, and the material of this is leather, but like the other old school leather on the head. The outer part of the sneakers is all leather, but the leather is the same kind with the old school materials, except that this one is puffy and kinda chunky. So I'm gonna try everything, how it looks on my feet, and then I will tell you how it feels as well. So see you later. I'm gonna start with this black square slip-on. This is how it looks like. And at the back, this is how it looks like at the back. Oh. This is really very comfy. I really love it. So let's try this one. Wow, it's so cute. It's really cute. And at the back, as you can see, the back is with the red diamond. And here at the side, as you can see, this is really cute as well. Wow, wow, so cute. And then let's try the new school. This one, the purple and black. So it's like this. It's really comfortable, comfy as well. Okay. And the color is just fine. Look at that, how nice it is. Here at the back. So what can you say about this one? Wow, so chunky, but at least comfy, and the size is just perfect as well. And now the last one. I'm gonna wear the last one. So this one, the new school leather in pink, beige and pink. It's really cute. Look at that. The pink and leather, no leather and pink, as you can see. Wow, this is really nice. I love it. And also very comfy as well. I really like the color. I thought it was not nice on my feet, but I can see that after I wear it, I love it. Look at that. How nice it is. And here is the bag. Wow. So that's how it looks on my feet, and all I can say is I love everything, especially the slip-on. They are so comfy, and the leather, new leather, they are very comfortable on my feet, and it's very stylish. I really love Vans sneakers because it doesn't cause me back pain because I have scoliosis. I don't know, but since I wore Vans sneakers, I never had a back pain anymore. Not like before when I used to wear Converse sneakers because I really love Converse. But since I switched to Vans, I never had back pain anymore. And also, I have problem when I am walking like this, like all the time, and all my previous sneakers, all the only side that was worn out first is this side, the outer side of the heel. So and everything was fine, like everything is not like still new except this side. But with Vans, it's completely different, and now I don't have the problem when it comes to the part of the heel that is getting worn out first than the rest of the sole. So I don't have a problem with that anymore since I switched to Vans, and I'm really excited for more designs of Vans sneakers, and I'm so happy that I ordered different color of this slip-on because I really love all the color. And now I already have 3 slip-on in different color, and of course I've got 3 new school also in the canvas and also in the leather. And also I have other Vans sneakers, old school, and the other one is K8, high K8, something like that. And I have 1 Disney. So overall, the total Vans sneakers that I have is 11 pairs and 1 flip-flops. So it's like 12 pairs. So I hope that this year I won't buy more sneakers. This time maybe I will wait until my birthday because I bought a lot of this because it is my birthday month. They are on sale like 20 to 30%, and it is also my birthday month, so I got extra 20% discount. Can you believe that? On five items I can redeem additional 20% discount. So like the regular price of each sneakers is less 30% or 20%. Then after that they will less another 20%. So I was so happy that I am so happy that I finally redeem my discount, and I think this is enough for me for now. So I won't buy any more sneakers this time because I had enough. So I have enough to wear for like 12 pairs to think what I should wear. So that's all I can share with you. I hope you enjoy my unboxing, and I hope you got also an idea on what you should buy on Vans if you love Vans sneakers. So as you can see, it is really nice on feet and it's very comfy. So this is not Vans sponsor. I'm just sharing you what I experienced with Vans sneakers, and also it is not so expensive, so it's worth of your money to buy these sneakers. It will last long as well, and for street fashion is very stylish. So that's all I can share for today. And before I end this video, of course, I want to thank every one of you, especially to all my members who always support my channel. Thank you so much. And to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in to all my videos. I appreciate every one of you. So I guess I will see you again on my next video. I love you all and kisses. Bye!
Every guy I've met